It's a cool, rainy morning. I do kind of like it with wetness on the leaves, the ground. I think it makes a very subdued atmosphere. It's amazing the lantana's still going. I've had it over winter here in north central North Carolina. It'll just go dormant and then come out in the spring, make a really big show. Still have some orange coneflowers. Purple Homestead Verbena. I think that's a white million bells. Beautiful morning. I want to get some more rosemary this year. That one's kind of played out. I'm going to cut it back, but also working on frog tubes. This was a poor design. It's too short. Anyway, I think it needs to be buried in the ground at least a foot. So I'm gonna, instead of getting white pipe and coloring it blue, I'm just gonna get the gray. I think that'll look good. Getting cold. We still have leaves here. Some of our trees are beautiful wooded area. Some of our trees here are water oaks, and they don't drop leaves until the spring. It's a beautiful morning. Beautiful day.